Madam Justice, you are again wrong. When you say, do not allow yourself to be arrested if there is no warrant. You will be, dagdagan mo ang patay niyan. Kasi kung sabihin mo sa tao ngayon na walang warrant, may baril ako, may droga ako dito, hearing your words, do not allow yourself to be arrested without a warrant is a very dangerous statement. You will promote anarchy, the things that you really fear. There is no anarchy under my watch. 800, even 5,000, could it cause anarchy? Alam mo, there are ways of doing it. And may I lecture the public, hindi kayo, sa Supreme Court. Ways of, you can arrest a person with a warrant, and that is the order of the court to any security or police, military. Arrest this guy. It is directed to you. Second is an arrest without a warrant. When? When a guy is committing a crime in your presence. Nagtatakos na siya po dyan. O nagbabaril ng tao. O naabutan mo, nakapatong, nire-rape niya. That is committing a crime in your presence or had in fact committed. Pagdating mo, nagtakbuhan sila, hindi natapos yung takusan nila sa tapos tumakbo o naghihitan. You can pursue them to the ends of the world as long as it is a continuous man. Or a crime is about to be committed. Kung magsabi nito, putang ina mo, babarilin kita. And if you are there, just announce, Adre, gobyerno ako, arme o pulis ako, arestado ka, bawal yung ginagawa mo. Or simply saying, yung bang baril mo may lisensya? If he's a terrorist, hawak-hawak ang granada. Ibig sabihin, magtakbo ka pa sa korte, magkuha ka ng warrant? So, ang judge, mga pilosopo pa yung mga buang, baski ako nung piskal ako, magpunta dito yung, I don't have to name them, but may isa akong judge dito, sinipa ko talaga. Sinipa ko sa opisina niya. Hindi, kick him. Ayaw magpirma. So, nagdududa ako, yung mga pulis apurado. Itong putang inan to, either nagsisirbato ito doon sa kabila. Sabi ko, Judge, putang mo, sipain kita. Sabi niya, sige, sipain mo. Pumunta ko doon sa opisina niya, sinipa ko, aga ikaw ngayon. Gusto mo, barilin kita? Sabi niya, wag. O, lagi. Putang ina. You know, I was once contempt of court. May kaso ako, wala akong witness. Tatlong lang, silang tatlo, they committed the crime of murder, yung taxi driver. Wala akong witness. Yung list, yung, hindi talaga, yung isa, nawakan niya sa leg, yung isa, kinun niya yung bayag. Masakit yan, talagang paralyzed yung tao. Yung isa naman, was just watching. So sabi ko, sige, ikaw na yung witness ko, payag ka mag-testigo against your co-accused. Yes. So I filed a motion to drop him from the criminal complaint information. Ano, pag-present ko sa niya, bumaliktad. Nagdepensa tuloy doon uli. Kasi sinipa ko. Problema, ako tuloy yung napreso. Instead siya, ako ang nauna doon sa presuhan. Bayad pa ako ng 5,000 ng yawa. Direct contempt eh. So, I mean, it's about to be committed, actually committing in your presence, or had in fact committed. Sino? Yan, sir, si Commander, ano yun? O si Commander, yung ano. May alam naman nila yan kasi may mga Mga litrato yan. Eh di, habulin mo, hanapin mo eh. Pag hindi mo ginawa, dereliction of duty ka. Mali talaga. Ma'am, I'm sorry, but do not give such statements. You will, sabi mo, you're afraid of this country sliding to anarchy. At no other time, ang streets ng Manila are almost freed of criminals. Maglakad ka, ma'am, at find out. Anong paningin mo? Would the military, armed forces, and the police agree that I will do some thing that would create anarchy? At tapos they remain loyal to me? Ako ang unang papatay niyan, ma'am. Totoo lang. They have no loyalty to me. You know, these guys are loyal to the Constitution and the flag. And for as long as I'm doing right, they will support me. If I have the tendency to go ahead with anarchy and be a dictator, I know they will execute me. Yan ang totoo kung gusto mo talagang malaman. These guys have only one, they have only the eyes, the flag of the Republic of the Philippines, and the written manifestation of the flag is our. Out of respect also to the Supreme Court, I will answer. Sabihin ko, ma'am, ganito yan. My words, it is not accusatorial. It is not a criminal information. It's just my word against the others because I have a duty to tell the public para malaman nila ang danger sa ating bayan, pati malaman natin kung sino nagpalaki ng industriya. Otherwise, kung maghintay lang ako ng huli-huli araw-araw isa, tapos abogado, tapos mag-trial tayo, pagkapos ng trial convicted ka, mag-appeal ka, court of appeal sa Supreme Court, it would take 10 years for one individual. How am I now supposed to meet the challenges of this practice? Huli-hulihin ko yung isa?
In what way po?
Karami. Intervention.
Para maayos ang kaso.
Hindi, alam mo, sabihin ko kay ma'am yan eh. Ma'am, hindi lalabas ang pangalan dyan ng political harassment. As early as 5 years ago, nandyan na yung pangalan na kaya nga, patay na eh. Hindi naman na-erase yan kasi yung intelligence community is not supplied with namatay na pala yung asawa mo dahil na-cancer o na-stroke. Death is a private affair of a family. It is not announced to the world except for the obituaries. It's found in newspaper. Or somebody would purposely inform government that itong idioto na ito, patay na. Freedom of information. Sa your incessant and repeated questions, ayan na. Because I am now obliged, may executive order ako, freedom of information. Freedom of information, yung hilingi ninyo listahan sa intelligence community, royal. But, mine is not, sabi ko nga, susulatan ko rin si, out of respect also to the Supreme Court, I will answer. Sabihin ko, ma'am, ganito yan. My words, it is not accusatorial. It is not a criminal information. It's just my word against the others because I have a duty to tell the public para malaman nila ang danger sa ating bayan, pati malaman natin kung sino nagpalaki ng industriya. Otherwise, kung maghintay lang ako ng huli-huli araw-araw isa, tapos abogado, tapos mag-trial tayo, pagkapos ng trial convicted ka, mag-appeal ka, court of appeal sa Supreme Court, it would take 10 years for one individual. With 600,000 around, we are agreed that there is a crisis. How am I now supposed to meet the challenges of this practice? Huli-hulihin ko yung isa? And in the light of the executive that I signed, freedom of information. Naghihingi kayo ng information. Yan, binibigay ko na sa inyo. So, sinong may kasalanan? Ikaw, pati ako, pati media. Inuudyok ninyo ako. Ayan o. Oh, Mayor, kailan mo ilabas yung mga listahan ng mga mayor? Oh, that is freedom of information. Naghihingi kayo. It is raw intelligence, but in view of the problem, the seriousness and gravity of the problem, I have to tell you. And nobody can stop. Ayun na. Do not tell me what to do, how to run this country.